Tuesday was a very exciting day for all of us. We started our day with a presentation about superfood and healthy lifestyle. Nutrition is about eating healthy and balanced diet. Food and drink provide the energy and nutrients. We learned that most of the food today is just a marketing and we can't live completely healthy. Balanced diet means eating 3 to 5 meals a day, drinking enough water, eating a lot of fruit and vegetables, working out regularly, and so on. The harmony between physical and emotional health contributes to healthy lifestyle and balanced diet. A new trend in nutrition refers to superfoods like, for example, chia seeds, aloe vera, spirulina, pomegranate, goji, and so on. There is no such thing as superfood. It is just a marketing term. Taking superfoods in doesn't necessarily mean it has better impact on our organism than normal food.
After a presentation, we had 3 workshops. The first one was about dental hygiene. We realized that things we do regularly, we actually do them in the wrong way. If you want to have healthy teeth, learn how to brush them properly, apply the right size and type of a brush, and brush your gums also.
The second one was about nutritional therapy. One way of checking your health status is to take the in-body measurement test, which will tell you how much water, muscles, and fat you have.
The third one was about first aid. When it comes to saving lives, stick to the RBC principle, which means response, breathing, and CPR, while playing the song Staying Alive in your mind.
After an interesting day at the school, we went to the farm Jinafa. We prepared the dough for our bread, and while it was being baked, we were playing games referring to the traditional ways of wheat production. The first bread was baked in Egypt. Interesting fact is that one planted seed of wheat produces 10 wheat ears. On the same farm, we saw a lot of animals and enjoyed our free time in the nature. At the end of the day, we spent a great time with our new friends.
Makni mi glavu.